Hello everyone, thank you for joining us on Arrowhead Wealth Partners' first quarter of 2024 portfolio update. My name is Cody Hines and I will be your host today. I am a managing partner and chief investment officer here at Arrowhead Wealth. Today's presentation we will go through a few slides that illustrate our current views on portfolio asset allocation. Throughout these slides you may have questions about the slides in particular or questions about your own portfolios. With any questions, we urge you to reach out to our office and we will be more than happy to get back to you as soon as possible with an answer. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As many of you know, 2024 is a United States presidential election year. During election years, we historically have seen an uptick in market volatility. When market volatility arises, there may be opportunities for assets to be mispriced. We recently made an addition to the portfolio that searches for these opportunities through sector trends. Different sectors react to different types of market cycles. This position we feel will give us more active management with inside the portfolio as well as creating more diversification. When talking about stocks, there are two different types to focus on. Value stocks, which are companies that make money and take their net profit and redistribute it back to shareholders in the form of a dividend. Growth stocks, however, take that net profit and instead of giving the money back to the shareholders, they reinvest the money back into the company to innovate on current products and also create new products. Now, value stocks as it stands right now are relatively cheaper than growth stocks. We've taken this opportunity to add to some value stocks in the hopes that we see a closure in the gap of how expensive growth is compared to value. There are an unlimited amount of factors that can make the market go up and an unlimited amount of factors that can make the market go down. At the end of 2023, in the fourth quarter, we made a change to portfolios to take away from bonds and add more to stocks. We still remain in that position and will remain in that position until we feel there is a material change in the market that we need to adjust to. One reason we want to reiterate why we have more stocks in the portfolio versus bonds is when you look at American sentiment. On this chart, you will see at the end of 2023, the American sentiment that things were going well was actually at 22%. Now, historically, when you look at the next 12 months of return for the market, if that sentiment indicator is under 33%, on average, you actually see better returns in the market for the next 12 months. And on the opposite side, when the sentiment is above 33%, you actually see not as favorable returns historically. Now, past performance and historical performance can never be indicative of future performance, but what we can do is take a look at what's happening right now and what has happened in the past and ultimately make an educated decision on how we feel about the market today. That's a wrap for Arrowhead Wealth Partners' first quarter of 2024 portfolio update. Again, we want to thank you for joining us on the presentation today. If you have any questions about any slides in particular or questions about your own portfolio or account, please do not hesitate to reach out to us and we will be more than happy to get back to you with an answer. Also, if you enjoy these videos, please follow us and subscribe to us on YouTube in order to get notifications about when the next video is posted. Also, please check out our website and social media in order to keep up to date on what's going on over here at Arrowhead Wealth Partners. Thanks again for joining us and we look forward to talking to you soon.